Now this is the Sandisk micro SD USB card reader, and I've been using this as a travel vlogger, filmmaker for the past couple of years, and I can honestly say that this has been one of the most important things that I keep in my camera bag, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, a lot of small cameras, action cameras like the GoPro for example, come with a micro SD. And if you're working with a lot of cameras and working with a lot of people, then you need a way to quickly get that footage from that camera onto your laptop or someone else's laptop that you're working with. And that's where these come in really handy. Now, it can be quite long to transfer it from the action cam via Bluetooth or AirDrop or even with a lead. So this makes it a lot faster when you're shooting. You can also use it for yourself. You can transfer things from the micro SD card in your phone or other camera to your laptop. And for that reason, I always have one on me. It's super useful and I definitely recommend carrying it if you're going to get into filmmaking, photography, or if you need any way of transferring your micro SD data onto your laptop.